The eye of the storm or the cry in the morn, ow, ow. You're fine for